One of the new features of the smcps.org public website is the forms database. And this forms database is for storing fillable forms, either PDFs that are filled digitally, printed out and filled, or forms that are filled out online, such as Google Forms or Cognito Forms. So we're going to talk about how to access that and upload a form to the forms database. So the first step is to be logged in, and you'll know you're logged into your account because you'll see this logout button. And then you're going to navigate to the either the public forms or the private forms. And the private forms are for staff related content, and the public forms are for the community, such as parents and students. So in this instance, we're going to go to Student Services. Student Services has a lot of public forms, as you can see here. And the forms all need to be in PDF format or some sort of online form, like a Google form. If your form is still in Word format or some other non-PDF format, you need to take the steps to save it out as a PDF before uploading it to the website. So you can see I have some buttons here that are appearing because I am logged into an editing account. So I can edit forms that are currently online, I can delete forms that are currently online, and up here with this green button I can add new forms. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to click this green button that says Add New Document. And then the page itself gets sort of a dark gray overlay and we can't see it. And we go to this window, which has a lot of options here. So the first thing we need to keep track of is the document itself. So we need to upload it. So looking at all the different options we have here, we're going to go down to this second line where it says File Settings. And here it says Local with a drop down. Local means your local machine, so your computer. And this is what we want. So we want to have it set to local, which is the default. Then over here on the right, it's going to say Upload. We're going to click that Upload button, and another window is going to pop up. Now the first step here is to go to the correct folder. So since we're doing Student Services, we would want to make sure that we click on and highlight, see it turns blue, Student Services. Then we can come over here and add the files that we need to add. Now this has a drag and drop setup, so if you have a file on your desktop or in another window, you can drag it over and it will automatically upload it. Or you can click Add Files, and then you can navigate to find the form that you need. So in this instance, I need a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and select this board meeting document, and I'm going to upload it. So you might have any number of fillable forms for your department that you need to add. And again, this is how we're adding a new form to the database. So once I have it selected, I'm going to go ahead and hit Start Upload. All right, and now it has loaded that particular document. Now I can choose the name that is shown to the public. So in this case, I'm going to call this Not a Fillable Form so that no one gets confused and we remember to delete it. And really that's all you need to do. Now there are additional settings, like you can make a form available for a certain amount of time, so it's only available between this date and this date, and things like that. But generally you just want to load it up and make it available. So that's how we load up a new fillable form from our computer. When we're all done, we're going to hit Save and Close. And if we scroll down, you can see, because the forms are listed alphabetically, that Not a Fillable Form has been loaded up. And it even gets a couple of tags here by default. It is a new form, and we are the owner of the form. And now when a user clicks on it, it will open that form up in a new window, and they could print it, save it, do whatever they need to do with it. All right, that is how you upload a new fillable PDF from your computer to the forms database.